Have you ever wondered how to make these paper bowls, waste paper bowls? You can put anything into this. Say for example you have a party, you can throw all your waste inside here. Okay, I'll show you how it's done. First take a colorful magazine paper, tear it up, and do again. Okay. This line meets the other line there. Okay, turn it over and this side too. Come to the center. Okay, make sure it's like this. Then fold it over. Make a line there. Then come to the center again. So this way and this way. Do the same thing at the back. Meet the center line. Meet the center line. And fold it into the center because we're going to tear this portion, and then we're going to tuck it into this corner here, this corner and this one. Turn it over. And there you have it. Center, center, open up, get the center again, come to the center here, there's a line here, the center line, take this one, take the center, come to the center, press it down, bring it to the side, bring it to the center, bring it to the center. Oh, how is this moving? Turn it over, centralize it, meet the center line, meet the center line. Then you tear in the middle because you're going to fold it over. There you have it, my waste paper basket. I have been making these paper bowls during my spare time while watching TV, and as you can see, I've got so many sizes here, all different sizes. This is a small cute one. You can use this as a bowl to put in. Either you can throw your rubbish when you eat, like the bones and all, or you can serve your snacks in these bowls, paper bowls. They're very cute. And you can store it in a used, open up the packet, the bowl, and you can just keep all this neatly. And when you need it, you just take out one. It's very handy.